The expansion of Unity College. Unity College is oversubscribed in all year groups. Due to the popularity of the college, we're expanding. And I've agreed from 2021 that our admission number will increase from 240 to 300 students. Planning permission is being sought to build on the old Easton Clough site behind the college AstroTurf, so the new building will be on our college site. I'm working very closely with Lancashire County Council to plan for an amazing new facility for our students. What will this new building include? 10 new classrooms, also 6 new science labs, 1 additional food technology room, additional PE changing facilities for both boys and girls, and a brand new purpose-built library. All this additional space is being housed in a new building which will be called Excel, as this is what I expect every child to do at Unity, to excel and be the very best that they can be in everything that they do. Excel was planned to be ready by September 2021, but due to COVID-19, it's been delayed and the accommodation will be ready in spring 2022. Additional accommodation will be in place in September 2021 whilst the building is being built and completed. The final plans will be available on the website in the very near future. This is very exciting times for Unity College. Excel will enhance the already fantastic learning environment that we have in our main building, which includes the City Learning Centre, which is now an integral part of our main building.